According to the court, Meghan Markle treated her half-sister with ridicule, contempt, and dishonor. Samantha Markle is asking for $75,000. In her defamation case against the royal, Meghan Markle's half-sister made an appearance, saying that the royal harmed her reputation by creating a rags-to-royalty story. Samantha Markle, the eldest child of the Duchess's father, Thomas Markle, is suing Meghan for $75,000. Samantha claims Meghan's comments in her March 2021 interview with Oprah Winfrey caused her to experience humiliation, shame, and hatred on a worldwide scale. Samantha's half-sister, according to Samantha's attorney Peter Tickton, had suffered severe injury as a result of Meghan's suggestion that she had only returned to using the name Markle after she began dating Prince Harry. Samantha has refuted her half-assertion sisters that she grew up as an only child and accused Meghan of spreading false and spiteful lies about her fairytale rags-to-royalty upbringing at the detriment of her family. In order to maintain and advance the false rags-to-royalty narrative she had invented about her past to the royal family and the international media, Meghan, according to Meghan, orchestrated the effort to smear and destroy her sisters and her father's reputation and credibility. Samantha has no justification to file a slander lawsuit, according to Michael Kump, Meghan's attorney. He urged that the matter be dropped, claiming that Samantha's and her attorney's allegations were quite plainly disrespectful to my client. It is true here that not every perceived affront requires legal action, he said. Plaintiff is challenging Meghan's perceptions of her own childhood, but that is not a legitimate topic for a court of law, the judge said. The former Suits star, he continued, has a First Amendment right to express thoughts and even criticism. If the case goes through, Prince Harry and Meghan will both be required to give videotaped depositions while being sworn in. Judge Charlene Honeywell withheld judgment but stated that she was struggling to understand how the Duchess could be charged with publishing the allegedly defamatory words in accordance with Florida law. Dispute between them puts a black cloud over Harry, who King Charles would want to mend. Exclusive, commentator Valentine Lowe told Express. Co. UK that Prince Harry's conflict with the royal family would overshadow the King's coronation on May 6. Prior to Prince Harry's coronation in May, the King would love to mend their relationship, according to a royal author. According to Valentine Lowe, it's a black cloud that looms over his head and could mar the formal procedures. It will be interesting to see if Prince William is willing to pardon his brother, he continued. Lowe remarked, when asked if Harry will be attending the coronation, the King would love to see this divide bridged. It's a menacing cloud above his head. That might ruin the festivities and cast a cloud over the coronation. In his January 10 released autobiography Spare, Harry makes a number of scathing comments about his father and brother. The Duke claims that during a heated argument over Meghan Markle, his brother physically assaulted him. Harry claims William disparaged his American bride by calling Meghan difficult, rude, and abrasive, which he claims is a parroting of the press story. Harry claims that after the argument, which allegedly occurred at his London home in 2019, got physical, William grabbed me by the collar, ripping my necklace, and knocked me to the floor. The Duke also makes a number of contentious assertions regarding Camilla, his father's wife and stepmother. Due to the need to rehabilitate her image after being referred to as the third person in Princess Diana's marriage to King Charles, Harry thought his stepmother represented a threat. The Sussexes will receive an invitation to the King's coronation this May despite the royal divide. A Whitehall insider told Express. Co. UK that a comprehensive plan is in place to make sure the pair doesn't in any way overshadow the proceedings. They are on the list, and preparations are well underway to make sure everything goes smoothly and without incident, they stated. Officials are arranging seating in Westminster Abbey to prevent the brothers from being photographed together, and plans are almost probably in the works to lessen the likelihood that Harry and William will be spotted together in public. According to recent polling, the British public will not favour this choice.